Hi guys, I hope you're having a great day. I wanted to share some positive things to come out of this COVID-19. Right now, everything's kind of like up in the air of what's going on and how we're going to move forward in travel. So here's some great things to come out of it. Um, One, more transparency between resorts, airlines, and cruise lines in regards to their cleanliness and how they're keeping you and your family safe. Right now, they are using a third party, so someone outside, an independent person or company that is certifying that they are meeting the cleanliness requirements. A lot of times you can find this information on their website under COVID-19 or cleanliness or more about, their hotel. You should be able to find it. Right now, since it is such a hot topic, it will be usually like on their banner or at the very bottom of their homepage. Now, most resorts now have opted to have apps that you can do a pre-check with your phone, which avoids more contact and more time at the front desk. Also, a lot of them have menus on your phone. So you can actually pull it up on the app, look at the menu, and plan ahead on what you're going to order. This is great for those who are vegan or have a special dietary needs. This is really great. And it also, you can put that in the app. On some apps is that you are vegan or that you have special dietary needs. So when they see you come in, they can pull that up. But they'll even ask you when you're going to eat at their local restaurant the capacity. Hotel capacities have greatly reduced just for social distancing. Most of them are going to 20 or 30% occupancy, which some people are like, that's horrible. To me, that's great. You get more tailored service for you, more attention to you, faster drinks, it's nice. And you have uh, more space to relax and enjoy your time there. I did just see a couple today that went to a resort in the Cancun area that is only at 8% occupancy. Imagine that, having a whole oceanfront resort at 8% capacity. That is incredible. I mean, just you two hanging out. Oh, so nice. Now, the resorts are also providing transportation. Now, typically it was this bus, you go in there and get transported to the resort. There are some resorts that are doing private transfers for free. No additional cost to you, and it'll be a nice private resort for you and your partner or you and your family straight to the resort. And that is part of their safety measures. Another thing is buffets. Who doesn't love buffet? Well, I'm not a fan of them, but I know a lot of people are. And the way the buffets are going now is that they're either going to be pre-served, which, pre-packaged. Sorry, they're going to be pre-packaged. They're going to have, plastic wrap or individual little plates or cute little spoons with the food inside. There are many different ways. And this is actually really good. I typically avoid the buffets because I see people putting spoons in the wrong areas, just mix matching food, and it's just gross. To me, it would get gross. This is now the employees are serving you food and they're pre-packaged, pre-portioned. To me, it's wonderful. I think it's a great thing. Um, Also, room service. Usually, room service is extra at some resorts. Now they're including it to help you with social distancing. They are offering it longer times. Also, sometimes it's part of the inclusive portion of it. So you want to check that out as well, and your travel agent can help you with this. And then this is a good and kind of bad thing depending on how you look at it. My kids are going to be doing school online. I don't know if your kids are going to be doing school online, but now You can travel whenever you want and take them with you, and you can go on a family vacation and save yourself money where you're not stuck at spring break or winter break only. As long as the resort or where you're staying has good internet access, why not? You could travel, spend the afternoons when it's really, really hot doing schoolwork, getting that done, and then join the evenings or early mornings and, go to the pool, go out to eat, go explore. Why not? Um, I'm actually planning on doing this in November with my family. We're going to be going to Disneyland, and so my teenagers are actually going to be doing schoolwork while my 2-year-old takes a nap, which is really nice. I mean, it's two birds, one stone, and we all get a break from walking. So it's really, really nice. Um, Let me go. Another thing that is nice is the realization that travel agents are needed. Um, Travel agents will work hard to make sure that their customers are taken care of. Those who didn't use a travel agent and use like an online booking engine know the pain of what people are going through right now. At one point, an online booking travel agency or a booking agency online, uh, they turned off their phones for a couple days when the cancellations were first starting. They turned off their phones. Customers can get in touch with them. They tried emailing them, and nothing. Your travel agent, when they were calling in to cancel, they've been spending 4 to 5 hours on hold to make sure that you are being taken care of, their clients are being taken care of. They would sit there and have a list of customers that they needed to get taken care of, make sure the dollar amount was correct, make sure that your trip insurance would cover it or what the details were on that. Um, and they would actually go to bat for their clients big time. And they're still doing that because things are, being canceled still, especially with cruises. Cruises probably won't be traveling until 2021, but they are still making those phone calls. They are still working with the vendors to get your guys' refunds. Right now, there are companies that are taking 90 plus days for refunds. And the reason why is their systems are set up to bill, but there's a completely different process for refunds. I've actually worked in a retail industry where I could process payment through the system, no problem. For refunds, it would have to go to finance and they would have to get approvals. And then they would process refunds on certain days of the week or certain times of the month. So then it would cause a delay. And they have different checks and balances because one person could process a certain part of it, but couldn't finish processing it, a different person would. And that's just a safety measure for companies. So that is also why there was a delay. And then they're not making monies. Vendors were not making money, so they actually had to lay off people. So imagine doing refunds with a reduced staff, travel agents trying to call, customers are calling. It's been really tough, but there are some vendors that shined brightly. I mean, there's some that restructured really quick, came up with new ideas, great ideas. They implemented new things where the refunds would take 3 to 4 weeks instead of 90 plus days. So those actual travel agents know which vendors are shining and which ones aren't so shiny. And so we keep a mental note of that when we go to plan your future vacations. We're going to be like, we know they took care of our customers. We're going to use them more because we know. Will the average customer know that? Probably not. Because you're not on the phones with them every day where travel agents are, and we all talk. So we know what's going on. The last thing I'm going to say is restructuring. I know straight restructuring isn't always a positive word, but for me it was. The reason why is because it gives opportunity for new ideas, things reimagined. It gets the creative juices flowing, and it also gives them time to refurbish, rethink, recreate new areas that is going to serve customers better, and it serves them better. Work smarter, not harder. So restructuring is a great thing. Now, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. I am happy to help you. I do have links below where you can, you know, I have my social media links, I have my website, and I also have a calendar link that you can schedule your free consultation if you want to plan a trip for 2021 or the future. Let me know and you have a great day. Bye, guys.